Hey guys, it's Cody with Homestead. Today I'm bringing you a hopeful solution to a problem that a lot of us are running into right now. So, real quick, this is a broken plant, right? You can see here there's still some connective tissue holding the plant together. And around this time of the year, in the summer, we're seeing bunnies come out and they'll chew on new plants. And as we're planting our gardens, we don't want to be wasting money on our good plants getting eaten, especially if we can save them. So I'm going to teach you a way to save a plant that is still connected by some connective tissue and hopefully keep your garden green. Anyways, let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so for this video to work, you need two things. One, a pretty straight stick, that's gonna be our brace, and two, some really light tape. So like I'm using some painter's tape here, but grafting tape would work well. Tapes like duct tape really won't work because it doesn't let a lot of air transpire through the tape. So we're not gonna be using that, we're gonna be using a light tape. The other thing is it has to be connected by the connective tissue here. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get you guys set up. We're gonna get to it. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pre-stage some tape. That way I don't gotta, do that while we're getting ready. I'm just gonna tear it off into strips. Let's split it in half, just stick it right here. Next, we're gonna get our brace and we're gonna put it here. You gotta remember while we're doing this though, we're not tying a tourniquet, right? We don't want this thing being super tight. And I'm gonna try to find, there it is. That's the natural formation of the plant right there. So we're gonna set up our brace, right? Now this first one is gonna be a little tight, and that's just to ensure that everything's on there together. I'm gonna take the second piece and go in here, make that nice and good. And then we're gonna kind of look. Remember, we're not going super tight. We just want it. There we go. So, and I'm probably actually gonna apply one more piece of tape right here, just low enough where, it gives it that bottom level of support. That way this thing has the best chance of making it through this. Okay, and like I said, it's nice and loose, right, but still tight enough to hold it together. A couple things. You will always be able to tell if there's connective tissue supplying the plant with the right nutrients and everything, like the normal plant life cycle, because this plant has been this way for quite a while, a couple of hours actually, and the leaves are still pretty much fine. So that's allowing us to do this and ensure that this plant might have a fighting chance to reconnect those tissues. The next thing I'm going to do here is I have this cage, and I'm going to set this cage up so that while I'm away, if there's a bunny that comes out and decides he wants to, nibble, he can't get to my plant, and it's nice and protected. Okay guys, we're just doing a little status check here. And we're about 5 days into the repair that we did. You can see the repair is still holding strong. More importantly, the plant is still looking awesome. You can see the leaves are nice and green. That shows that the connective tissue that's being held under here is still working and is still providing life energy up to this plant, this part of the plant right here, and that's what we want. So we're going to leave this on for the next 4 weeks. We're going to let this heal. And we're going to come out here and get this taken off. I just wanted to show you guys that what we are doing is working and how important that connective tissue is to making this whole thing stay alive. But anyways guys, that's it. That's as easy as it is. And like I said, the 3 key components: you need a straight stick for your brace, you need a tape that can breathe, don't tie it too tight so that way the air can go in and out. And next, you got to make sure that the plant is still connected by that connective tissue. And if there's any question in your mind about that, just leave the plant alone for a few hours, especially right now in the heat, and if those leaves start drooping and it starts looking really bad, then you know what you got on your hands is probably not going to make it. But because, you know, we have that plant right there and it's not had any issues, we should be good to go. But look guys, if this video has helped you out and maybe even saved you a plant, or more importantly saved you some money, drop that like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. We're growing the channel. We're almost at 500 subs, man. Can't believe it, and we're almost at our year anniversary. But anyways guys, it's been a pleasure to have you here today. It's been Cody with Home to Homestead, out here.